Weather conditions have put both Minnesota and Wisconsin at heightened risk for wildfires. David Schuman looks at the dangerous incidents we've had just in the last few days.
The tranquility of Legion Lake in Richfield was violently disrupted Friday night. A grass fire shot through a section of Veterans Park.
The fuels that were burning, you can see in the cattails right over there, they were burning pretty fast.
It was really big over more towards the east side of the Veterans Park here compared to the west, but it was definitely something to remember.
The fire burned about 4 acres, but virtually all of the damage was contained to the cattails here. And the Richfield fire chief says no people were hurt, no structures were damaged because of the water.
This water gave us a great buffer between not only the homes over on the east side, but also the park buildings over on the west side.
Chief Mike Dobesh says the fire's cause is unclear, but the combination of dry air and high winds means it could have been something as small as a flipped cigarette. There are similar conditions all over the state. A grass fire in Lino Lakes burned nearly 120 acres this week, and a fire in Mentor in northwest Minnesota prompted the State Patrol to tweet this video showing how quickly driving visibility can plummet in heavy smoke. All of Wisconsin's counties are considered to be under high or very high fire danger, too. In Eau Claire, multiple homes were evacuated Friday after a brush fire.
This could happen anywhere there's dry prairie grass, anywhere there's dry, well, obviously cattails, right? I think we're just at that point in the season where we're all just, as firefighters, we're all a little bit concerned about what the future holds.
David Schuman, WCCO 4 News.
And a warning if you're planning to have a bonfire in the backyard this weekend. Fire officials say winds even as low as 5 miles an hour can be dangerous.